Well, there are 6 columns there. Okay, now let me click on one column, right click, check member. The classification of member, section 1, class 1, shear and shear minor, buckling web, axial bending combined, and buckling lateral torsional. Now let's check the length. LTB is equal to 6 meter. Now we had to modify the restraint on the column to modify the length of LTB less than 6. Okay, come back and click on come back. We come back to the structure view and click on the column, right click and edit. In edit, we check for the strut restraint. For the lateral restraint, we add it for lateral torsional buckling to prevent lateral torsional buckling, and strut restraint to prevent compression buckling. Okay, now let's check. In the floor at the 0 at the base, and floor at the 6 meter at the top of columns, and we has 1, 2, 3, 4 sub. Okay, sub stake 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 at 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, that's right. Member 5.8. One, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 and 1.3. Okay, that's correct. Now we had to add restraint on the column. I want to add it in the location 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Okay, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and I add it on the member by clicking measure or override. Okay, and click OK. Again, double click on it, strut restraint 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 and 1.5 on the member at 4.5 meter. Click on measure override. Double click again. Click on strut restraint 4.5 to edit restraint. Hold right mouse to rotate, and we do the same. Strut 4.5. Okay, double click. Strut 4.5. Okay, strut 4.5. Okay, seal the model. Click on design or static. Okay, take the mouse over the column and check the design ratio is 0.82. It's 0.8 and 0.8, 0.6 and 0.2, 0.2 and 0.2, and for the raster is 0.8. Okay, it's the same. If you want to optimize this column, you can right click and design check. Okay, the same design check. This is how we can design and optimize section one by one. So you can use the option automatically in the software. As I told you, you can use the option. The software will be automatically updated. This is how I can show you. We can use the menu design and optimize section. Click on design. Click on design. Static. Close. Right click. Design. Static. Close. Okay. Now save it again. Save it again. And you can click on design or static to check it. Okay, everything is working fine right now, and I want to show you the next step, how you can design the pad footing in the Tekla Structural Designer. Okay. Now let me to show you about how we can show the member to check and verify all the member. Click on this one and review and show the section and metric grade. You can check for the section. Yeah. Okay, section IPE 330, IPE 330, this one IPE 360, and this one is IPE 500, IPE 500, IPE 500. Can check for the columns. Yes, IPE 500. Now status. Okay, let's click on this beam and we click on design to check and design optimization of the member. Again, now the software keep IPE 500. No more optimization on this section or on the element. Okay. This is how we can analyze, check for the sway, non-sway. Yes, sway, non-sway. Check alpha critical. Now alpha critical in both directions. After you change some elements, it still work in press element or press frame or press structure or non-sway frame. Yes. And what is the alpha along the direction 1 or 2? I will show you the direction 1 or direction 2. Now come back, close it, click on, let me check it. Where to show it? Yeah, come to structure, click on structure and click on the structure again and click on show building direction. Okay, this is the direction 1 and direction 2. So you can come back to review and show tubular data and sway still in column. Yeah, direction 1 and direction 2. You can easily check the structure by using this direction. Okay, direction 1 in plane of frame, and direction 2 out of plane of frame. Yeah, the steel photo frame. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.